I never thought I'd be interested in restoring an antique stapler, but they turned out to be interesting. For example, paper fasteners go way back to the 18th century when they were invented by Louis XV, the King of France. And through the years they evolved, and in the 1870s they became the modern stapler we know today. I'll be restoring a stapler from 1895 made by the Acme company, the same company that produced rocket roller skates for coyotes. I spent quite a bit of time trying to find staples for this old antique stapler, but I had no luck. I even called Acme. They're still around. I asked them if they had any old stock. They just laughed and tried to sell me a new stapler. And then I found some staples that were very close in size. Even the gauge was right. But I had to remove about 2 millimeters of steel off of the staple guide rail in order to get them to fit. This was done using a metal lathe. And now they fit perfectly. This old stapler was designed with screw holes in its base so that it can be fastened to the top of a desk. This is because it did not have an ejector return spring. So when the staple was ejected, you would have to pull the ejector back up to reload. I'll be adding a spring so it automatically reloads, like a modern stapler. I took advantage of the screw holes in the base, using them to attach the stapler to a decorative piece of mahogany. I switched out some of the steel screws using brass screws instead to enhance its final appearance. Thanks for watching. If you're a troll, be sure to hit the thumbs down. If you're a human, please click the like button and subscribe. We'll make more.